In the news, Tesla Inc. TSLA up 1.08%, trading higher pre-market amid anticipation for its Robotaxi unveiling event on Thursday, October 10th. The company will be hosting We Robot at 10 p.m. Eastern Time in Burbank, California. The event will also be live-streamed. On Wednesday, supply chain analyst Ming-Chi Kuo shared a cautious note about the launch, noting that expectations of a rally may be misguided because mass production of the Robotaxi may not occur until the first quarter of 2027. Kuo added that Tesla's full self-driving technology may not meet Level 4 requirements until after 2027, so the short-term stock impact of the event might be limited. Advanced Micro Devices Inc., AMD, up 0.5% on watch ahead of its advancing AI event, which is scheduled to begin at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. The company is expected to reveal its next-gen Instinct MI325X AI accelerator, a top-tier offering from the MI300 lineup featuring up to 288 GB of HBM3E VRAM and 6 TB per second bandwidth. With enhanced FP16/FP8 compute capabilities and support for double the AI model sizes per server, the MI325X could bridge the gap between the MI300 series and the upcoming MI400 lineup. Delta Airlines Inc. (DAL) down 5.78%, gapping down after reporting third quarter 2024 earnings. The company reported adjusted earnings of $1.50 per share, below estimates of $1.52, though sales of $15.677 billion beat estimates of $14.674 billion. Delta guided an operating margin of 11% to 13% for the fourth quarter and expects revenue to grow by 2% to 4% for the quarter. Its quarterly EPS guidance came in at a range between $1.60 to $1.85, compared to estimates of $1.69. Chinese ADRs are up by 0.97%, trading marginally higher with volume as a group following a rally during Thursday's session in China. The Shanghai Composite Index closed almost 3% higher, and the Hang Seng Index gained more than 4%. The People's Bank of China launched the Securities Funds and Insurance Companies Swap Facility, or SFISF, to allow qualified firms to exchange assets like bonds and ETFs for high-grade liquid assets, such as treasury bonds, starting with a 500 billion yuan or $70.7 billion operation. However, Chinese stocks traded sharply lower on Tuesday and Wednesday, following the announcement of a smaller-than-expected stimulus of $28 billion. PayPal Holdings Inc., or PIPL, is down by 1.73%, trading lower pre-market following a downgrade from Bernstein. The analyst lowered its rating for PayPal, which made a new 52-week high during Wednesday's session, from outperform to market perform. Pfizer Inc., or PFE, is down by 1.29%, trading lower pre-market after former Pfizer CEO Ian Read and former CFO Frank D'Amelio announced they are distancing themselves from Starboard Value's activist campaign at the company, expressing full support for current CEO Albert Bourla. Despite Starboard's $1 billion stake and ongoing activism, Read and D'Amelio expressed confidence that Pfizer's current management will deliver long-term shareholder value. Earlier this week, the Wall Street Journal reported that both Read and D'Amelio were being enlisted by Starboard in its activist efforts at the company. MicroStrategy Inc., ticker symbol MSTR, is up 3.04%, trading higher pre-market despite weakness in Bitcoin, with the cryptocurrency trading just above $61,000 as of Thursday morning. The stock pulled back yesterday but hit a 6-month high on a split-adjusted basis during Tuesday's trading session. On Wednesday, Bernstein adjusted its price target for MicroStrategy to $290 to reflect its recent 10-for-1 split and maintained an outperform rating. Celsius Holdings Inc., ticker symbol CLH, is up 4.65%, trading sharply higher pre-market after gaining more than 6% by the close of Wednesday's session. The stock, which does not appear to be running on any particular catalyst, is followed by retail investors and made a 52-week low on Tuesday. Tilray Brands Inc., ticker symbol TLRY, is up 0.61%, on watch following its Q1 2025 earnings report. The company reported losses of $0.01 per share, smaller than the expected loss of $0.04 per share, though sales of $200.044 million missed estimates of $219.295 million. The stock receives frequent attention from retail traders and investors and has a short float of 11.7%. Small-cap runners are up 20.93%. Several previous small-cap movers are gapping up on Thursday. These stocks include recent multi-day runners like Faraday Future and Wheeler Real Estate, as well as names that are frequently in play like Bloomsy Inc., ticker symbol BLMZ, or FANG DED, ticker symbol DUO. Also trading higher pre-market are Crown Electrokinetics, which gained more than 400% during a single day in May 2024, and Tempest Therapeutics, which gained more than 3,000% during a rally last year. The tickers to watch are FIE, WHLR, BLMZ, DUO, CRKN, and TPST.